Hi, my name is Darcy Swigert, and you can call me Darcy. I live in Minnesota, and I graduated from the University of Minnesota. I worked as a designer for the university for a while. I stayed home, raised my kids for a while, and worked in business for a while, and then I ended up, fortunately, in a setting, in a school setting. It's actually kind of a separate program from the school with children of higher needs. Um, the program I have is more behavioral needs, so physical aggression, property destruction, elopement, different behaviors like this. All the kids I have are all different. They have different backgrounds, different diagnosis, and it is a very challenging environment to work in. The team of people I work with would include a behavior analyst, social worker, special ed coordinator, special ed teacher, and in the past I had marriage family therapists. So in any case, that's how I arrived at my decision to pursue clinical social work so I could have a greater impact on mental health and families in general. On a personal note, my kids are a little bit older now. I travel a lot for soccer. I just got back from soccer practice and was far away, and my daughter is traveling to New York this weekend, but I won't be going with her. And, anyways, I'm really excited about the MSW program. I'm excited to learn the information I'm very interested in, and I'm anxious, I'm worried, I have a lot of, concerns, but overall excited, just filled with a lot of emotions. So I'm excited to meet all of you and get started.